Hello, in front of me I've got FORD Fiesta. In this video I'll show you hidden features and best equipment. Depending on specification, the Fiesta can have useful features such as heated windscreen, automatic headlights, rain-sensing wipers, keyless entry, folding mirrors, and voice-controlled sync functions. Some versions also have parking sensors, reversing cameras, and Sony premium audio. The heated windscreen is particularly useful in winter, as is one of the Fiesta's most convenient features. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.